na inim se say Kumasi Sports Stadium yanwe ne se ama se say Lance twa na edu pretty no yaje erintidia the only venue available CAF bitimi agi atum ni abo games ho the Accra Sports Stadium. Accra Sports Stadium nso no nyame adoma Black Stars crucial World Cup qualifier against Mali next month. And so our the Accra Sports Stadium and into the penny for say so I'm catch more penama yabo top 4 no awo the Accra Sports Stadium and sha never do some Black Stars baba used to pitch no at the abo against Mali in the World Cup qualifier na ko harding and into the pam no chano yemfia nkoto asemu Ghalca top 4 ne yin free Accra Sports Stadium na yemfanko University Ghana Stadium na enkobo game no enso awo honti sisi ano changes kakra aba no day 3 di ansesa the only asesa at the venue ID free the Accra Sports Stadium akọ Legon na yakobo games no enso awo nanumu and house of kasama for Kwame Oparado enso ede nano ato asesa yentie no house of say changes no say no musi efa hu no.
Also, originally, we were going to play at Accra Sports Stadium on Wednesday. Kotokone Gold Stars never got the first match at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. Nanka has to focus on Heart of Lions so swabo. The same Wednesday, 6 p.m. But to say it's the same matches in Legon Sports Stadium. But the fixture arrangement remains the same and the dates remains the same. In that Kotokone Gold Stars double 3 p.m. at Legon Sports Stadium. And I am so Heart of Lions about 6 p.m. at Legon Sports Stadium. And then on Friday, Kotokone Lions double 3 p.m. at Legon Sports Stadium. I am so the beginning Gold Stars about 6 p.m. at the same Legon Sports Stadium. And then the final games will be played on Sunday. Gold Stars and Lions double 3 p.m. and a half double 6 p.m. at the same venue. We are making you may there, but this is how it is going to stand. So the top 4, the Ghalca top 4 tournament has been shifted from Accra Sports Stadium to the Legon Sports Stadium.
Okay, nti Accra has a kasama for Kwame Oparado and now the Sanchez Chimuno, and so at the Kumasa Asante defender, Francis Samuel now and the Ghalca top 4 no, and also actually Kakra de Afauna.
You know, the top 4 is a very big competition, and with a big history. So we are using this to prepare our confederation.
Our first match is against the Readiness Gold Stars. And how are you guys approaching it? They are the winners or the holders of the Ghana Premier League. They are also playing the CAF Champions League. I know for sure they will be coming in very strongly.
Yeah, you know, BBNE, they are good side, and play against them too is good for us. So we are always ready to face any club who will come in front of us. So we are getting ready for all of them.
In December, O'Neill, Kumasi Asante Kodo defender, ahead of Omo any baby any Gold Stars game on ball top 4 no, and was yes, so against defending champions in the league. Also last season, Omo official Omo a very good team. Now Omo Kotoko for no more for this top 4, and especially for a baby any Gold Stars official Kotoko Abomu ya Amuso no, everything amake and also Omo any Omo abo awo. The Ghalca top 4 I want some no, and I mentioned something for you in Germany kakakana. A movie venue they say Ghana the air dio venue some the BI venue.
Yeah. Oh. And to be honest, this venue thing I had to Ghalca top 4 I had to Ghalca top 4. And now say what you say and now say. And my problem here, I know Mr. Ansa as the chairman of Ghalca to be a true football person. Even on my chairman of Ghalca, there were a lot of football organizations as an eventer. Meaning say he was part of the organizers. And can Mr. Ansa ne consultations there. Rich. Any engagement, one of the biggest attributes. So how come a chairman of Ghalca here organizing the first of all? He seems to be, I say, yeah, too much. A lack of consultation, Papa no one because he obetudi. Ade abechine say situation wo heni year and kaem foul into your fan kwa.
I am penifo mum disappointed.
So what is the problem then?
Because onim so obobo Kumasi. Then later I catch the Kumasi no pitch in yet.
Until onim so obebo no sa onim no every
so that I know on Ebian penifo can't is a pitch no. And you're ready for the
and only one nim command.
But we didn't come over Ebian assurance. And later no more disappointed. Like a class was them.
It's you. As at the time, Mr. Samuel announced Barbara Sports Stadium. So no be catch yourself Barbara Sports Stadium was in good shape to play any game. No that now. And he should have known.
No, okay, and penny from there, no, Mr. Catcher.
And then only problem you have say. That is the question I'm asking. Say, I know Mr. Ansah to be a true and true football insider. We're organizing a lot of games, sir. Me and Ukraine. We are not even aware of account. Because me no. The last time I call engagement meeting, NSC Kumasi, he was part of the meeting. And he knows inside food to get events be organized. Now, Ebani Sana as the chairman of Ghalca, Mr. Ansah, the biggest attribute, I said, Omoya Tuna, I said, I don't know what is happening. It is not good for the top four organization. And now way, or China way, and that way. Now you see, a man some job from point to minute to start discussions into the game. Because one thing you must know for sure is where we are going to play the games. And it keeps changing. And that is why your interest was. And now University of Ghana, could it even be say you were only Wednesday to play the games? Can it change? Because baby everybody what? Rich. It is a good preseason tournament in Ghana. But I'm saying a losing irrelevance and ne bites na nanka get the kind Ghana football calendar no. Mr. Ansah want to revive it. And omuti ye both Kotokone has finish it top for into the organization no I quite easy mom. Again, Kotokone has in Yinaji to Musombebo easily. Into a tournament the way I was say kono a corner. I think sir it takes me back to and I did the voice I bought how to for coach. And or can say the timing of the competition no and ka onyanya ka organizers ni mie mu na and representing more of a preseason tournament than some competition bia yeah we so be best oji. Send a bayanka coaches no will have the luxury to make too many changes and substitutions. Nanka intimate and relaxing the mood of the tournament. You know. I don't know how far clubs you know, are engaged organizers you know, about Sadia, but I think it's Kabebwa. Because Rich, Sananse Waha, Kotoko Cape Coast. Otis or mobile friendly game, I'm going first half, new set, second half, new set. Why? Because they are in preseason. They are trying. So I'm going to be any games in the abo, not obia ape, ne sharpness, ne readiness for the season. So I'm going to about competition. Not a restricted to only 5 subs. Then it means you have to play competitive games. Now I'm sure Obi Kobo 90 minutes, Obi Kobo 80 minutes. In games like this, during the time when you're ready to play those kind of matches, until by the time I season the best start, no when you're fatiguing already because of the top 4. No? And it shouldn't be that case. And more top 4, no, Rich, and go at a disadvantage to more top 4, no, because they will have the luxury to follow more preseason plans than more top 4. That will not be good for the tournament any more ever participate yeah I still think say Rich per recruitment I don't know my expectation is that Kotoko still remains the favorite to win. Yes, to win the top 4 no the Nancy Heart of Lions against our CDA unless they turn into a different team crowd win the top 4. I think say the second position will be between Bebiani Gold Stars and the Accra House of Football Rich because Bebiani Kotoko Eko African Intino. Me expect say omumum edo mu be shut off for we mu more and play it more like a competitive friendly to prepare ourselves for Africa no than has any Art of Lions omo enko baby and both Kotoko baby and Gold Stars and I may hear omo we observing them more. It was a tournament than House of Folk any team a friend of Art of Lions.
Pacho ye twa ho aba na ebe to dwumade no so dia ma me sha 104.5 ye ba sisi